So in this video, you'll learn how to enter and exit easy mode on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So easy mode is a feature that basically enlarges everything on your phone, making it easy for someone who's not really used to using a touch screen phone to navigate through. So when it comes to enabling easy mode, it's fairly simple. Just open the settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option display. Under display, look for easy mode and tap on it. And then in order for you to enable it, just tap on the toggle like that. Wait a few seconds as your phone adjusts, and once it has, you'll notice everything is now being enlarged. So you can actually be able to read through everything and see everything that's being written down on your screen. If you navigate back to the home screen, you can see everything has been enlarged and changed to suit your preferences. You can even tap on this icon here to open the apps drawer, and then you can see all the apps that you currently have on your A36. If you find yourself stuck in easy mode and you don't know how to get out of it, then it's fairly simple. Just to navigate back to settings, and then under settings, go back to display. Look for the option easy mode and select it. Just tap on the toggle like that to turn it off. And once it's been turned off, you'll notice your screen going back to normal and to the way it was before you enabled easy mode. And so that's how you can turn easy mode on or off on your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.